Just stop, please. Read a newspaper or something.
Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this text effects for your TikTok videos in After Effects. So we're going to have an excerpt of a movie, for example, this short movie, and then we're going to animate the text so that each word will appear one by one in a sentence spoken by a character of the film excerpt. For example, this girl. So let's create the text first. So let's say this girl says, "Just stop, please. Read a newspaper or something."
Just stop, please. Read a newspaper or something.
Drag an excerpt into the project. Make sure that it's vertical, 1080 by 1920 pixels, and then drag it into the composition, and then create the text by clicking on the type tool, and then type "just stop, please," just like this. And then for this, we're going to make it bold. Change the font type into a thicker one. For example, this one. "Just stop, please." And then we're going to animate the text so that each letter, each word will appear one by one. Right click, transform, and then center anchor point. Right click on it again, transform, and then center in view, just like this. And then you simply drag it downwards. Alright, we're going to copy and paste this, and then we're going to change the text into read a newspaper or something. Read, hold on, read a newspaper or something, and then centerize it. Right click, transform, center anchor point, hit the caps lock if the problem persists. Right click, transform, and then click on center in view, and then drag it downwards, just like this. And then we're going to animate this text first, starting from here. Hold on, no. Alright, we're going to apply an effect so that each word will appear one by one. Go to effect, and then type fade, and then drag fade upwards into here. And then the girl starts talking from this time frame. Just hold on. Let me drag it. "Just stop, please." Just like this. "Just stop, please." From here, we're going to make it disappear. Turn on the stopwatch for opacity, and then from here, when the second text appears, you drag the slider so that it reaches 0%. The text disappears, and then click on the eye icon so that this one appears, and then drag the fade upwards effect into the second text. Read, and then make sure that each word matches with the mouth gesture of this character. Read news. Alright, that's too slow. So go under animator, and then go under range selector, and then when the text reveal is finished, hold on, read a news. Oh, that's too slow. Read the news. Okay, from here, newspaper, and then so I have to drag it to the left. Read the news. Okay, that's too fast actually. Hold on. Read the. Oh yeah, that's too slow. We're going to start from here. Read the newspaper. Alright, I have to stop here. And then from here, we're going to hold on. Make a keyframe, and then we simply reduce the starting amount to 60. And then when she says "or," from here, we're going to paste the keyframe. Alright, we're done. So let's make the words have the letters distancing away from each other. To do this, type track and then drag increase tracking from here. Drag the increased tracking into the text, just like this, so that, you know, the text distances away from each other, just like this. But, you know, from here, we're going to decrease the tracking amount just a bit, so that it doesn't, you know, get too stiff, just like this. Yeah, this applies for this one as well. Starting from here, drag the increased tracking here, and then make sure that the, you know, the tracking amount, hold on. Make sure that the, it's not so far. Just like this, reduce the tracking amount to here so that it's not too stiff, just like this. And then we're going to add some glowing effect if you want. Type glow and then drag the glowing effect here. And then increase the radius and decrease the intensity, just like this. And then copy the glowing effect and then paste it into the second text. And then you're done. Creating this text reveal for your TikTok videos in After Effects, where, you know, the text quotes what a character in a movie excerpt is saying. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.
Just stop, please. Read a newspaper or something.